Let me take you through the speeds and the pre-programmed settings on the K400 blender. Firstly, there is a pulse button where you are in control. It's great for chopping some nuts, doing a chunky salsa, anything you want to keep a little bit of texture in your mix. Then there are 5 variable speeds, so you are in control. Choose from a slow, gentle 1 if you're just wanting to mix things through your blend, or all the way to 5 for that beautiful, smooth blend. Then we have pre-programmed settings. Now these are all timed and take the guesswork out of your blending. So there is a crush ice setting, great for your cocktails, an icy drink setting, which is wonderful for cocktails as well, but also any drinks that you want to add tougher ingredients like fruits, harder fruits like apples, pineapples, and any frozen fruits or vegetables. Then there is a smoothie setting, great for your milkshakes, your smoothies. And we also have a cleaning setting as well, which just does quick bursts to remove any stubborn ingredients from the blender. The blender is super easy to clean. The jug can go into the dishwasher, or you can add a little bit of water and detergent and pulse, and it removes any stubborn ingredients stuck inside the blender.